Synchrony Premier World Mastercard Review 2025 Best Rewards Card for Everyday Spending. You won't believe how much rewards potential is packed into a credit card these days. The Synchrony Premier World Mastercard promises generous cashback, flexible redemption options and perks for everyday spending, but is it really the best choice for 2025? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming premium rewards cards are complicated to use or carry high fees. With the Synchrony Premier World Mastercard, you earn a straightforward 2% cash back on all purchases, making it easy to maximize rewards without worrying about categories or caps. One major advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see this card has no annual fee, making it appealing for both new credit users and seasoned cardholders. The card also offers fraud protection, zero liability on unauthorized purchases and robust customer service support. Redemption is also flexible. Cardholders can redeem rewards for statement credits, gift cards, travel or even deposit into a linked checking account. This versatility means your rewards work exactly how you want, without restrictions or blackout dates. However, there are cons. Unlike some premium cards, it doesn't offer luxury perks like airport lounge access or travel insurance. International transaction fees may also apply, which is worth noting if you frequently travel abroad. Additionally, approval may require a fair to good credit score, so it's not a card for those with poor credit. In conclusion, the Synchrony Premier World Mastercard in 2025 is ideal for anyone seeking a simple, effective rewards card for everyday spending. While it lacks luxury travel benefits, its straightforward 2% cashback, no annual fee, and flexible redemption options make it a strong contender for practical, high-value rewards without the complexity of other cards.